Hello everyone, Renato from Headspin UI here, and in this short video we are going to see how you could implement animated stacking cards. This is a great way to pitch features or benefits of your service or client service. Many modern sites are using this principle, so we are having like presentation. So as user scrolls, he will see cards which are pitching some features, benefits, and so on. We could scroll to see this effect, and we have created this animation to stack them. So it is really cool way to present some benefits or features. We could see that implementation, for example, on Paddle. We are using them for payments on our platform. They have implemented it slightly different without animation, but design principle is the same. So they have billing card with call to action to discover more about this service. As you scroll, you could see metrics card. You could see some additional features, and then we have some other sections. So you could notice that these are big cards. They use some graphical element, and they use a little bit of content. And key thing to note, they use a lot of space. So you should design this in this fashion. So a lot of space, a little bit of description, and some graphical element. We are not providing this whole design. We are just providing this animation, but you could use this as guide how you could use these stacking cards to create some great pitching section. And to implement this, you need just to copy this component. After that, we are going to our local site. We are going to paste that code, and we are going to paste below hero section. You should not place this as first section. It needs to have some section above. So user lands on this screen, for example, sees the hero, and when he scrolls down, he'll see sequence of stacking cards. So when we save, we could check at the front end. And we have small problem. Problem is that we have sticky header, but it is great thing so we could see how we could adapt. So we need to go to stacking card container. Okay. Let's reload front end. And now we could see that stacking animation, it has plenty of room between first card and header. So it is looking really good. And we have some additional sections below. That would be all from stacking cards. You could use this to pitch some services. And if you need design inspiration, you could check how Paddle is using this principle for pitching their platform. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.